Hi, today I've heard of the Samsung Galaxy S20i and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. First, open the Play Store application and then in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. Then just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Click yes, I agree, tap to close. So OK, and now we can see here information about battery temperature. In my case, that's 31. Also, we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.